Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 decor ideas. Now these turned out to be really aesthetic and nice, and for this I have used some waste material that I've gathered from my surrounding, and I've also got something from Amazon. If you guys want to check it out, all the links will be in the description as usual. And since we're talking about making decor from waste material, we all know Diwali is coming up, and if you want to reuse some stuff that you already have at home, I have some ideas about it. So I will be linking all the videos down below and on the I button here. I hope it's here. If not, just click here. Wherever it is. Now for the ideas that I will be sharing in this video, it can get a little time consuming, but the end result is so amazing. It almost looks like a finished product that you would buy from a mall or something, and it's not really that hard, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. You can obviously reuse things that you have at home, so just watch it till the end and let me know what you guys think about it. And I know I sound a little weird, that's because my throat is gone, and I'm sorry about that. Just bear with my voice, and if you still don't want to, you can just mute. But watch the whole video. It was a lot of hard work, and your feedback would be really appreciated. So you know what to do. Comment down below, like, share, subscribe, and without further ado, let's just get started with this video.
For this DIY, I'm going to be using the Fevicryl air dry clay. I have this bigger packet because I use it very frequently, but you get this just for 20 rupees, guys. I mean, come on, imagine you just invest 20 rupees and the end result you get, it's just unbelievable. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm prepping the floor and now I'm just kneading it together. So basically, one is the hardener and the white one is the clay, and you have to knead it very well together. And this is the consistency. When you achieve this, that's when you actually start. We need to create an oval shape because I'm making a face. Now I'm using this thing, I think it was a cookie box, but if you have a rolling pin, please use that. I did not face any problem, it worked just fine, and once I had the desired shape, I just stopped, and then I took a small piece of clay and I made this snake kind of thing. You know what it is. I can't explain. You know what it is. So I'm going to be using this for the borders, the eyes, nose, and everything. And you can just watch what I'm doing and follow along. Now at this point, if you want, you can also change. Maybe you want 2 eyes and the full face, or maybe you don't want the nose. Any changes that you want to make. Honestly, it's a blank canvas, you can do whatever you want. By this point, if your clay starts to harden up, you can use Fevicol, because I was recording and constantly checking if the clips are being saved fine or not. That's why it took me a little longer. It started drying up and I had to use Fevicol. You can take off this excess clay with the help of knife, or you can just do what I'm doing. I did not take it off, and then once it dried up, I had to sand it off. So that took a lot of effort. So if you want to save yourself a little hard work, you can work smart and eliminate the extra part at this point only. I left it for around 6 hours and then it was dried up. Once you have sanded the surface, at this point, if you want, you can color this trinket dish. Okay, so this step is additional. Since I have it, I'm going to use it. It just gives the product a glossy look. So this is a glossy varnish that I'm using here. I have this product with me, but if you don't have it, you don't really have to use it. And I will just tell you a sasta jugaad of this. Instead of buying a glossy finish, you can use a Mod Podge if you have so, or you can mix water and Fevicol in 1:1 ratio. Okay, for the next DIY, I went outside and picked up some flowers. Now, if you have a flower store nearby, I would suggest you to buy some so that you can get a colorful and nice, unique variety. These are the flowers that I got. This is the generic ones that you find on the street, and we are basically going to press these flowers. Now, I'm sandwiching it between these two A4 size sheets, and we're going to heat it. Basically, I used an iron, and you can see how I'm separating the petals and the stem. You have to do this because we're going to use just the petals. And I did not do a great job pressing the flowers. You can see the white one just got ruined, and I think if you have patience you can also follow that old school procedure of pressing flowers between notebooks. That works really well. I got this really pretty frame from Amazon, and it's very convenient. I can change the flowers if I want to, whenever I want to. If you don't have the same frame, you can also use that normal photo frame that you get. And if you don't want to press flowers, you can do anything, just leaves, or you can also frame your artwork or a poster, whatever you like, you can do that. For this DIY, I used this old CD, and we're gonna get rid of this HP film. So you can see how easily it comes off with the tape, and once it's clean, it looks super pretty. Next, I'm making random shapes out of it and tinting the CDs. So we have a little color and we still have that holographic sheen. Basically, I used watercolor, and you can see how I smudged it on the CD. So what's happening here is, since it's a water based color, it's not going to leave a solid color. Instead, it's going to leave a tint, and it gives a very nice effect when sun shines through that CD and everything. You'll see what I'm talking about. And I think this one turned out to be so good. It's literally from scratch. I got this stem from a nearby park, and I haven't spent a single rupee on this. I just got the thread. Everybody has thread at home. I just attached it and it looks so pretty. It's the best. And to hide these white threads on the stem, you can also paint over it from a brown color. So the white thread doesn't peek through when you hang it. I also attached a loop with a white thick yarn.
I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay safe. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.